Friends, today we will make a lemon battery. For that we need a one nail, one copper wire, one lemon and digital multimeter to measure the DC voltage across this lemon. So now we will start this experiment how we can make a lemon battery. Now first of all we have to remove the insulation from the both side of this copper wire. So first of all we will remove this insulation. Friends, you can see that I have removed the insulation from the both side. So you can see that shining part where I have removed the insulation. Now we will do this experiment. Now we will roll this lemon to make more and more juicy, so we can separate the citric acid of this lemon like this. So now it is soft. Now we have to insert this nail into the lemon and then copper wire into this lemon, and then we will connect the digital multimeter. Before that we have to understand the working principle of this lemon battery. So in this lemon battery, this is a galvanized nail. So galvanized nail is always a zinc coated, so that is a zinc material. This is copper, and in this lemon there is a citric acid, so that is working as a electrolyte. So when we insert this zinc into this citric acid, that will get oxidized and remove the electron, so this will become negative, so that behave as a cathode, and this zinc nail behave as a anode, and the citric acid behave as a electrolyte. And when we connect the digital multimeter to these two terminal, that will show some voltage on the screen. Now I have connected one wire to the digital multimeter, but second wire is not connected, so you can see that the voltage is 0.00 volt. If I will connect this wire to this copper wire, then you can see that the voltage is 0.46.47 something, so it is a half volt battery. Now if we want to increase the voltage, then we have to connect more and more lemons. So now I have created a series connection of the battery. So this is positive, this is negative, two positive, and then this is negative. So the two terminal which are open, one is positive, one is negative. So this is the series connection of the battery. If you make a wrong connection, that will become the parallel connection of the battery, and that will cancel the voltage. So be careful that you should have to connect these two lemon in a series connection. So again I will tell you, this is nail, this is copper wire, two nail, then copper wire. Now I will connect these two N terminals to the digital multimeter. Now I have connected only one terminal, this terminal, to the digital multimeter, and second terminal is not connected, so voltage is showing 0.0. If I will connect this terminal to this copper wire, then it is showing 0.89. So you can see that for only one lemon it is showing 0.45, 0.46. Now for two lemon it is series connection, so it is approximately 0.9 volt. So if you connect more and more lemons, then you can create more and more voltage. So if you can go up to 2 or 3 volt, you can glow a LED too, because LED needs something 2 or 3 volt. So you need a 5 to 6 lemon and connect that lemon in this way, so you can glow LED.